Galle Fort, a living monument of Sri Lanka's colonial past. Introduction: nestled on the southwestern tip of Sri Lanka lies Galle Fort, a majestic coastal fortress that encapsulates centuries of colonial history, architectural grandeur, and cultural fusion. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988, Galle Fort is not merely a historic structure. It is a vibrant, living testament to the island's tumultuous past and its enduring spirit. With origins dating back to the 16th century, this fort has borne witness to the rule of the Portuguese, Dutch, and British, each leaving indelible marks that have shaped its unique character. This essay delves into the history, architectural brilliance, and cultural significance of Galle Fort while exploring its continued relevance in contemporary Sri Lanka. Historical overview: the Portuguese era, 1505 to 1640. The history of Galle Fort begins with the arrival of the Portuguese on the island in 1505. Initially drawn by the lucrative spice trade, particularly cinnamon, the Portuguese quickly recognized the strategic importance of Galle's natural harbor. In 1588, under the command of Francisco de Almeida, the Portuguese constructed a small fort called Santa Cruz, using palm trees and mud. Despite its modest beginnings, this fortification laid the groundwork for what would eventually become one of Asia's most formidable coastal forts. However, the Portuguese grip on Galle was not destined to last. By the early 17th century, tensions between European colonial powers were escalating. The Dutch East India Company, VOC, seeking to expand its trading empire, turned its sights toward Ceylon, now Sri Lanka. The Dutch period, 1640 to 1796. In 1640, the Dutch launched a successful assault on Galle, capturing it from the Portuguese with the assistance of the Kandyan Kingdom. What followed was a remarkable transformation. The Dutch demolished much of the existing Portuguese structures and began constructing an elaborate fortification system that endures to this day. The Dutch built Galle Fort with thick stone ramparts, bastions, and a systematic street layout. Designed to withstand both military assaults and the ravages of the sea, the fort became an administrative hub and a center for trade. It included public buildings, churches, warehouses, and residential quarters, all constructed in the signature Dutch colonial architectural style. The iconic Groot Kerk, Dutch Reformed Church, built in 1755, and the Old Dutch Hospital are notable remnants of this era.